If everybody else is going to leave the school except students with disabilities or students who are wheelchair users, right away that sounds like discrimination on the basis of disability to me. And so in my mind, what the school should have are policies requiring the evacuation and the proper course of action in these emergencies. And, you know, one of the things that people may want to consider as an option is going to their school and pointing out that, hey, look, on its face, this policy or lack of policy seems like it's discriminatory. So why don't we work together to eliminate that, to make sure the school is serving everybody together in a healthy, productive way. That way, if something does, forbid that it ever happens, but that way, if something actually does happen, they can have the confidence in knowing that they're keeping all students safe, and parents can have that same confidence as well.